Today, me and my boys are traveling to Mysore solely to eat. The food in Mysore is criminally underrated. In fact, Karnataka cuisine as a whole doesn't get the credit it deserves. So first stop, we shall pick up Nishok. Bro, honestly, I love Nishok's apartment, but this guy is moving out from here. What, Rasisya?
Guys, you know who got me that bag?
Which bag? Oh, fuck!
Got me that bag.
That is Muscle Blaze level 3 bag.
Yeah,
I got that bag for him.
my baby got it for me.
Your baby, yeah. I'm your baby. Now next, we go to another friend's house. Our friend Bobby lives in the middle of nowhere, guys. You know who we're talking about?
Nanavati murder case, bro.
Nanavati murder case, bros. What is this haunted area, bro? He's there only. Should I just ram into his car? Huh? Should I just ram into his car? That is Kavan Bobby! Sir, you were supposed to go to Thailand. When did you come back?
I didn't go only, bro.
Why you didn't go?
Flying is delayed and all my batchmates went back and they're just sitting there for 20 days. But I'm a smart guy.
Indigo is problematic, bro.
It's not Indigo, it's those Thai people.
Put my bag.
Coolie charges, sir.
Bobbies, we're traveling in his Verna. What a sexy car that is. Alright, Bobbies.
What? You guys are wearing sunglasses. Where's mine?
Oh, these are flying glasses, huh?
Non-polarized.
Non-polarized. Guys, pilots cannot wear polarized glasses.
All OGs don't wear glasses, bro. They wear cap.
Alright, Bobbies, we're taking the Nice Road exit towards the expressway. And then our first stop is going to be either Starbucks or Vaishali.
Starbucks.
Yeah, I want to get a beverage.
Avkat, boys. Avkat.
Here is Vaishali, Bobbies. One of the best stops on Mysore Expressway.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
First Kal Soup is here. Straight to heaven, Bobbies.
Guys, I've seen that face before.
The Keema Dosa is here. Nishok has been waiting for this for many months. Oh, he loaded yours, bro. Good, huh?
Good, eh?
It's always the same, yo. That's the good part.
Oh, they are consistently good. Bro, the best part about this paya is that it's not extremely fatty. It will fill me up without adding too many calories.
I can also fill you up, but for 0 calories.
Show me filling. Let's see if he filled this one. Oh, he's loaded it up, bro.
So I'm filling. I'll show you filling. Come,
What filling will you show me, bro?
come to Mysore, I'll show you.
Bobbies, this keema dosa, yeah, the keema is exceptionally good, but even the dosa is fucking amazing. So if you're a vegetarian, you can get a plain dosa and you will have a great time. Dosa gains. Give us a front double buy. Bro, that's the first time I'm seeing him do front double buy, bro. Filter coffee, Bobbies. Cheers. Cheers, Nishok.
Cheers.
So this is the hand wash, and right behind the hand wash is my keema ka source. The mutton is right here, guys. Time to go take a dump, guys. Let's go to Starbucks. Show us your pants, bro. He shadowed his pants already. I told you I'm taking to the washroom. What's the rush? Breakfast, although was tasty, it still didn't have enough protein.
Can't miss on protein.
Can't miss on protein, right? So it's going to be 1 scoop split between 3 people.
No, 2 scoops
Oh.
of milk. Your body hears everything that your mind says, bro.
That's crazy.
Oh, you're taking it really well.
This is the first time Kavin's trying an Americano.
I don't mind it actually. I like black coffee.
Bro, Kavin's car is too sexy, bro.
Guys, I'll show you a quick pump.
Oh, he's taking a pump. Hey, that's crazy. I said Kavin's car is sexy. He's like, I'll be sexier.
Bro, did 3 push-ups.
3 push-ups. At least go to from 40 push-ups.
I'm already so pumped.
Even I've changed into a tank. I was getting FOMO looking at Nishok. Now who's the bigger one? Huh? Now who's the bigger one? Huh? He's exploiting me being on a bulk, guys. When I was lean, fucking he never took his t-shirt off. There's a vlog also. I said, Nishok, show your abs. Man's like, hey, no abs. Oh, that must have hurt. Alright, Bobbies, back on the expressway. Next stop is our Airbnb in Mysore. Nishok has found a decent Airbnb for us. So let's go check it out. Bro, we entered Mysore and my first realization is that people in Mysore don't know how to drive.
Did you just see that?
Exactly. I used to think people in Bangalore are shitty drivers. I'm a shitty driver myself, okay? But this is a different level altogether. See, Bobbies. We've reached the Airbnb in Mysore. Let's check it. There's a car for Nishok here at the entrance.
So this is living room and this is office space.
Okay, I needed an office space. Unlike y'all, I work.
So-
I really like the fact that there's an office space here, bro.
Yeah, shut
Because
up,
these
bro.
kids, you know, all they do is chill out.
Shut
My
up.
office,
Just shut
My
up.
office is 40,000
Just shut up,
feet
bro.
in the air.
Oh, Pilot Bobby.
No, the living space in the first floor.
Okay.
Switches are here.
Bro, the lighting is mental.
This guy again is telling how many pictures you can take. The open room
So one can sleep here and two can sleep there.
Oh, bro, this is hectic. Let's check out the bunk bed.
So nice Airbnb, bro.
Bro, this is perfect for you
Bro,
both.
go, no, let me see. Bro.
Bro, this is perfect.
Bro, this is one spot, bro, actually.
This is sexy spot, bro. You can see me shower from here. First impressions, how's the place?
I like the car.
You like the car?
I'm kidding, the place is damn nice. Good.
Place is nice. My only complaint is they've not cleaned it very well. Okay? At least you should have told me. My feet got dirty. Now I'm
Mohit Kumar, free feet.
free feet, guys. Free feet. But yeah, it's not cleaned very well. He said the maid just left. Whoever the maid is, you're not doing a good job, bro.
Imagine the fucking maid watches okay Mohit vlogs.
Hey, bro, give water. Even I want.
Visiting Bobby's.
Just give me water, bro.
Bro, now I'm getting vibes to drink water.
Yeah, bro. Pretty chill. I think I can sleep here. You both can sleep there.
Yeah, he's all ready, guys.
Bobbies, thank you so much for all the comments that you've put. I truly appreciate it. Some have written, why don't you reply? Well, it's because I'm busy doing this shit. Making videos, right? I'm on my bed and Nishok is downstairs. Guys, nothing can beat this experience. Watching cricket with the boys. Hopefully, Virat Kohli will score another century today. Let's go for lunch now. We're planning to go to Maratha Mess. Hopefully, they still have food there. Damn, bro. A lot of people here today. By chance, if they say the biryani is over,
I'll try.
we got lucky with the biryani. These were the last 3 biryanis left. How's the biryani? Bad. Bad, Seriously? 11 on 10. But yeah, the best thing has to be this fish fry, bro. To end the meal, we're having goli soda. Oh. It came, huh? Bro, that's fucking amazing, bro. Eat it.
Yours also out, no?
Mine also, huh? Fine, we'll play Godi after that.
Play goalie with your marbles, bro.
The perfect end to a Maratha mess meal is the Maghai pan that they serve outside. Banging good. Cheers. Alright, Bobbies, we're now going to my editor's house. My editor's name is Sid and he lives in Mysore. He has been editing for me for the last 3 years. All the videos on my main channel are edited by him and so are my reels. So OK Mohit is OK Mohit only because of Sid, right? So we're gonna go meet him and he's gonna take us for some desserts. Say hi to Sid.
Hi.
Sid is my editor
Yeah, like not for his vlog channel, but for his main channel.
and reels.
Yeah.
Bobbies, if not for Sid, I would be stuck at 100k, okay? He took me to 500k.
No.
And this is the first time I'm meeting him, by the way.
Yeah, it's first time.
Right? So Sid and I have been working together for many, many years now and he understands exactly what Big Man wants when he says do this, do that. This is the cafe that Sid has recommended. It's called 11. Bobbies, I'm getting a tiramisu and a twice baked chocolate cake. Sid, what do you want?
Whatever you recommend.
Whatever I recommend. You got me to this place. What do you want?
I'll have one spoon of your tiramisu.
Fucker. We've gotten a tiramisu and a twice baked chocolate cake. Why is it on the side? Fucking put it properly. Yeah, now it looks better.
Can I ask you a question?
What's the question?
What is twice baked, bro?
Twice baked meaning once you bake it in the oven and once you bake it in the oven again. Let's try the chocolate cake.
Probably with was that white thing on top of it?
Oh, phenomenal chocolate cake.
Yeah.
Too good. Chocolate cake too good.
Yeah, tasty.
Chocolate cake too good. Tiramisu mid. Alright, Bobbies, say bye to Sid.
Bye,
He's
guys.
leaving and we shall now go back to our Airbnb. But before we go back to our Airbnb, coconut break, Bobbies. Kavin's eating malai. We are back to our Airbnb and I found a ukulele here. Let's see if I can play it. Alright, Bobbies, it's time for dinner. We've gotten a pizza and some chicken tikka. Pizza is from the old house and this was recommended by Sid. Empire, well, Empire, we Bangaloreans eat Empire any day, all day. And turns out Mysore also has Empire. So we've gotten chicken tikka for the protein, pizza for the taste. Let's go. What is Nishok doing? Monu Kumara. Who is Monu Kumar, bro?
Monu Kumar.
Huh?
This is Monu Kumar, guys.
Nishok calls me Monu Kumar. Hey, put biceps down. Where are biceps? Put little tummy also. Little fat has come back.
Yeah, a little side fat, bro.
We also have some garlic bread. Let's check out what garlic bread in Mysore is like.
Holy mother of God.
Cheesy garlic bread. Looks damn good. How much was it? Let me have a look. Yeah, here it is. Cheesy garlic bread, quantity 1, no price. That's crazy. Ooh, bro, that looks banging, bro.
The veg pizza that looks damn
Right?
tasty. This place only.
This place is only
Chicken
veg.
tikka, no?
Yeah. This is a paneer pizza. Sid recommended this. He said they don't serve non-veg, but it's good.
doesn't sound normal.
This is not Pizza Hut, duh. This is the old house.
Some special piece.
First, let's start with the garlic bread. Cheers, bro. Cheers. Not for me. Let's go for the pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza looks very promising.
I feel like if I had it there, it would be good.
Quite nice. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some Empire chicken tikka on my pizza and then eat it. This is the pizza slice. This is Empire chicken tikka. Time to down it. So this was our trip to Mysore. Day 1 is done. See you guys tomorrow.